a great day, Ambient Edge. Got to meet all the employees and service technicians and sales and everybody here. So brought the race car out, now we get to load it up and head to Vegas. Excited about this weekend. It'll be the first time I've driven an Ambient Edge car, but guys worked really hard on it. I think we got a good piece. And the Arizona, Las Vegas weather, this is pretty cool. It's snowing back home, so this is good.
Well, today went really well. Michael McDowell, can't thank him enough for coming out, meeting all the employees, signing autographs. I don't think it could have went any better.
The car looks great. We've been loading it up in the car. It looked awesome.
Yeah, way excited. Come Sunday, 1 o'clock, you'll see our Ambient Edge car on national television. You know, take a look at it. Real proud of this moment to be part of NASCAR and the NASCAR family.